To see you all again. In previous session, we have learnt about the polar region and the adaptations of the animal in that region. Today, we are going to learn about tropical rainforest. So before entering into that, we have to know the climatic conditions and what are the animals living there. Okay, so here the climatic condition, it is hot climate. Okay, here it is hot climate. This region, it is present in the equator line of the earth. Equator line. So which is the middle line, okay, which is direct contact of the sun. Okay, so here the climate, it is very hot. And even in the coldest climate, that is in during the cold climate, the temperature, it is more than 15 degrees Celsius, which is more than 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. So in this region, during the cold climate, the temperature is more than 15 degrees Celsius. And what about the temperature during the summer? In summer season, it may go across, that is more than 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here, the daytime and the night time, they are equal. Okay. Daytime and night time. Day and night time, it is equal. The duration, it is equal. So these regions, that is the tropical rainforest, it is present in the several places in the earth. So first, it is the Western Ghats. Western Ghats. And in Assam, which is in India. Okay. And next, it is Southeast Asia. And in the Central Africa. And in Central America. So these regions we can find the tropical rainforest. Okay. And next, here in this forest, they have the plenty of rainfall. They get plenty of rainfall. So because of this plenty of rainfall, they have the variety of plants and animals. Variety of plants and animals. So different varieties of plants and animals we can find in this tropical rainforest. Okay. So here the animals, some of the animals like, for example, monkey, ape, tiger, elephant, and birds, snakes, and some insects also. Okay. So here we can find a large variety of animals. So because of this, here it becomes a competition for food and the shelter. Okay. So this is about the tropical rainforest. Discuss about the adaptations of the animal which lives in the tropical rainforest. Can you remember what is adaptation? It is nothing but the animal possesses special features to survive in that region. That is the adaptation. So here the first animal we are going to discuss about the red-eyed frog. Okay, red-eyed frog. As the name suggests, red eye, the frog has a red eye. Okay, red-eyed frog. And here they have the sticky pads. Sticky pads. So with the help of this sticky pad, they climb on trees. Okay. So they climb on trees. So they are adapted to live on trees. So this is the adaptation of the red-eyed frog. And next it is about the monkey. So while telling the word monkey, the striking character of a monkey, it is a long tail, right? Long tail, which have the long tail. So by using this, they hang in that trees upside down, and they jump from the one tree to the other tree. So here it is the balancing organ for the monkey. Okay, and next it is the bird toucan. Bird toucan. So this bird, they have the long large beak. Okay, long and large beak. This helps them to take the fruits or else the food which is in the far distance. Okay, so this helps them to reach the fruit, reach fruits in trees. Okay, so here the adaptation for the bird toucan, it is a long large beak. Okay, and next we are going to discuss about the lion and tiger. Okay, lion and tiger. So what is the adaptation here for lion and tiger? They have the thick skin. They have thick skin and they are sensitive hearing. Sensitive hearing. Even a soft sound they can able to hear. Okay. And next we are going to discuss about the lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque. So here they have the silver white mane. Silver white mane. What is this mane? Mane, it is nothing but the long hair. Here it is for the lion-tailed macaque. They have the mane from the forehead to their chin. Okay, so it is a white in color. It looks like a silver white. So that is the mane. And they feed on the fruits. They feed on fruits, seeds, and small leaves. All those things. Okay, and they spend most of the time in the trees. Okay, live in trees. Okay, the next we are going to discuss about the largest animal, the elephant. Okay, elephant. So they have the trunk, which is the nose. So with the help of that they can take food. And the next part, it is the tusk region. Tusk, it is a modified teeth. Okay, modified teeth. So using that they tear the bark of a tree. Okay, and they have the sensitive hearing. They have large ears, right? They are sensitive hearing and they often fan their ears. So this makes them to keep cool their body. So which is sensitive, they have the good sense of hearing. Good sense of hearing. And they often fan the ears. Fan it to keep cool their body. Okay, so these are the adaptations of the animals which lives in the tropical rainforest. So common adaptations like sensitive hearing and sharp eyesight, and they have the character like camouflage. What is that term camouflage? Have you heard this term camouflage? Camouflage, they bind the color with the background, bind their body color with the background. So this helps them to escape from the predator. That is the camouflage. We have learnt in the polar region that they have the white fur, right? So they merge with the background and they easily escape from the predator. This is about the adaptations of the animals which lives in the tropical rainforest. Thank you, children.